Hi guys! Ngayon ay makikita ko sa inyo paano mag-overhaul ng generator governor.
Engine Cadet overhaul the governor without looking into the manual. How is it possible?
I'll be sharing about the overhauling of governor.
Ginawa ko tong video na to kasi natuwa ko sa isang balita sa akin, no, na yung Engine Cadet can do the governor overhauling without looking into the manual. And the same time para maging encouragement na rin, motivation sa mga kasama nating mga engineers. This is the story behind how the Engine Cadet overhaul the governor. One day, I received a call from one of our chief engineers telling me na may problema yung governor nila. May oil leak daw. So, my advice is, please renew the oil seal. Pero ang suggestion niya, pwede daw ba nilang i-overhaul? Sabi ko, palitan mo lang muna oil seal. Then, later on, siguro tingnan natin. But sabi niya, sir, na-overhaul na namin. Ha? No, humingi pa ng permiso yung parang natapos na nila. So, sabi ko, did you check or did you follow the instruction manual? Ang sabi nila, sir, we followed your video. Wow, very flattering. Sabi nila, inaral nila for about a week. Then, nung time ng overhauling na play, pause, doon sa cellphone nila sa workshop, until makumpleto nila yung overhauling. So, that day, wala na akong masabi kundi, sige, i-test natin. Tingnan natin kung ano yung resulta ng overhauling nyo kasi natapos na nila. And they're very confident. So, the good thing is, positive yung result. Maayos. Since this vessel has 5 generators, no, kasi reefer vessel to, meron pang 4 na natitira. So, ang suggest nila is, overhauling din nila yung natitira pa. So, sabi ko, sige, go on. And itong 4 na generator or yung 5 generator na ito na in-overhaul nila, naging malaking pagkakataon for them na para aralin. And to the extent that even the Engine Cadet knows to overhaul the governor in partida without looking into the manual. So, natuwa ako nung sabihin sa akin ng chief engineer na yung kadete is kaya. And this is how the cadet overhaul the generator without looking into the manual. Partida yan.
Hi guys! Ngayon ay makikita ko sa inyo paano mag-overhaul ng generator governor. So, let's start.
Actually, overhauling of governor is not a normal routine work sa makina natin kasi kadalasan nga pinapadala natin ashore for shore servicing or reconditioning. Isang parte lang kasi o isang component lamang hindi tumama o magkamali ng pagkakalagay o pagkaka-align, surely the governor will get malfunction. But you see how confident the Engine Cadet doing the overhauling. Dire-diretso siya at walang tinitinging manual or pattern, even walang nagko-coach. So, amazing, di ba? He's very confident. And sabi nga nila, confidence comes from the knowledge and mastery. You cannot master one thing without doing it again and again and again. Hindi din lahat ng chief engineer ay papayag na galawin ng kadete ang governor. Alam naman natin, napaka-sensitibo ng governor. Sabi ko nga kanina, konting mali lamang, no, isang component lang, even maliit lang ang mawala o ma-misaligns o magma-malfunction na. Pero kung makikita mo rito, ipinagkatiwala ng chief engineer na galawin ng kadete. Kasi ang ilan sa mga chief engineer, no, takot sila kasi baka nga may masira at baka hindi na nila maibalik sa tama. Pero kung ikaw yung chief engineer na alam mo rin galawin, ay overhaul, o alam mo yung isang bagay, you're confident na kaya mo rin siyang ibalik sa tama just in case nagkamali yung kasama mo. So, allowing everyone to learn is just building a bridge and makes them feel also that they are belong to the team or belong to the group. Natuwa lang ako kasi naging malaking tulong yung video natin to serve as a good guidance para sa mga kasama natin on board. In this kind of sensitive job, sometimes medyo nalilito tayo sa procedure, sa manual. Kasi kailangan pa natin i-figure out kung paano gawin, anong position. Not unlike kung may mga video na ganito, mas madali na siyang sundan. Para doon sa video na tinutukoy ko na yun din ang naging guide ng mga kasama natin, please visit my YouTube channel Chip Boyet and search the RHD Governor Overhaul. In this channel, actually, you can find a lot of technical videos that will surely enhance your engineering knowledge and ideas. In case of emergency, halimbawa nasa laut ang barko at kinakailangang i-overhaul yung governor ng generator to check the possible cause or causes ng malfunction at i-try na ma-restore at maayos uli. Of course, with the permission or approval ng ship manager at saka ng owner to overhaul, I think dito makakatulong ang channel at Chip Boyet para magawa mo siya ng tama. Pero kung ikaw nanonood ay hindi pa nakasubscribe sa channel na to, please don't forget to subscribe para updated ka sa mga paparating pa nating videos.
Shout out to Chief Engineer Stalin Tribunalo na kumuha ng video na to, and also for motivating our crew na to the extent that even the engine cadet is natuto mag-overhaul ng governor. So hope ng video na to mag-serve as a motivation or encouragement to enhance our knowledge para sa ating mga kasama mga engineers. Thank you, good day, and God bless us all.